So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you my Crompton High Speed 48 inches of 1999. So if you guys know, this is the same Crompton High Speed fan which I just I uploaded the first shot in my channel. This is the same fan, but in that time the fan was in the stage when the fan was sanded, and I just installed it just for the see that the blades, that whether they are balanced or not. Before that this fan was painted in brown color, but later that now I painted it in ivory color. So this is the fan, now it's in ivory color. And yes, this fan is a 1999 transition period fan, means this fan is actually given by one of my known person. So in their house I saw this fan. This fan had a Crompton high speed canopy which usually had a box logo, and in the motor it had a hand logo, and it had golden rivets. This fan usually had a golden rivets, and this fan usually had a golden rivets, but the golden rivets were faded, so I have to just paint the rivets also in ivory color. So that's why the rivets are gone completely. And yes, this fan is not having its original canopies and the original down rod, but that down rod length is of the same original length only. This is a 9-inch down rod. The original HS also had a 9-inch down rod, old HS I am talking about. So these canopies are unoriginal local brand canopies, which looks good. It's not looking that great. Means with the original canopy it will look good, but no issues regarding that. This is the Crompton High Speed ivory color. If I'll show you from the sides, so with the ivory color the fan looks really great. Means it typically looks like a new fan. It doesn't look like an old fan. With the brown color this fan somewhat looks like old fan, but now it's looking like a new fan. So without wasting more time, let's show you the performance of the fan in full speed. So this is the light just for the focus. So guys, as you can see, this is the full speed. So actually I'll just show you, this is the speed. As you can see, the speed of the fan. So it's actually this fan it was having this fan was spinning in very high speed. When the fan I bought it, the blade angles were completely destroyed, so I have to again balance the blades, and I have to just make the fan to work like this. Now this fan is 100% stable, and the fan is also the fan is also running really fine. And as you can see also, so if you can see, the fan is looking really great. So now the fan is also working really fine, and air delivery is also super quick. So the speed is now like 370 rpm, like the Crompton High Speed of Crompton logo. This is exactly performing like the Crompton logo high speed. But when I uploaded the video, that in that time the fan was spinning like box logo Crompton High Speed, even lower airflow than the box logo high speed, which has a very high speed. But now this is spinning like a proper Crompton High Speed speed, like is 370 rpm, similar to the high speed Decora. So this is now spinning like in 370 rpm. And air delivery, obviously this gives 220 to 225 to 230 cm. I personally feel the airflow is between that range only. It's not more than 230 or something like that, since this is a hand logo HS. So in the Crompton logo, Crompton increased the blade angle, and yes, this is a 25 to 26-year-old fan, still working really nice. This is the power of Crompton. Even this fan doesn't heat up like hell, and whatsoever, maybe even in this stage other fans just their winding gets damaged or whatever might be, but this fan survived the heating conditions. Even this is a very roughly used fan, but still this fan is working really fine. Only thing, the shaft, yes, one thing I forgot to say to you, this fan was having a shaft issue, means the shaft was loose with the bearings. So I have just repaired it using the tape trick, and after using the tape trick the fan works really fine, and the bearings are also replaced. The upper bearing is HCH 6202 and the lower bearing is HCH 6201, both the side having the same bearings. XCS only, and I have applied grease also for better lubrication. So this is the Crompton High Speed. It's looking so nice. So guys, this is my high speed decora. Let me start my high speed decora also just for you guys. So let me just start full speed. Guys, this is the high speed decora. The high speed decora looks a bit darker. So this is the high speed decora, and this is the high speed. If you guys see both the fans are looking so nice. If you can see here, so both are spinning in same speed, 370 rpm. So if I will show you the airflow, this gives slightly thicker airflow. This gives slightly thinner airflow, but the air speed, both the fans have the same air speed. So if I just turn off these lights, if you can see here, so both the fans have the same speed. So as you can see, both are having the same speed, and both are there. The look is very much satisfying, as you can see. So see guys, both are looking really nice. So this is the fan. Let's just stop the HS now, and let's keep the high speed decora in the slow speed. So guys, I have reduced the speed of the high speed decora. So this is a Crompton High Speed 48 inches fan. So guys, this is a small review video of this high speed decora. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this small video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. So thank you guys for watching.